Hello my dear health seeker, Inga from Health Origins here. So last time we made a hazelnut butter, and today using that butter we'll be making an oil-free Nutella or hazelnut chocolate spread. So let's begin. So for this you're going to need 4 ingredients. So I've got a cup and a half of our hazelnut homemade butter, no oil. Check out the previous video, I'll link to it below. Then also I've powdered half a cup of coconut sugar mixture with the demerara sugar, because I ran out of coconut sugar, but the recipe is half a cup of coconut sugar, or you could use rapadura sugar as well, so quite a rich, not very refined sugar. So half a cup, and then powdered. Then it's 1/8 of teaspoon of salt, just a little bit of salt, a couple of big pinches, and then I've got 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder here. So we're gonna put all of the ingredients into a blender and blend it. So as you can see, I'm still using not washed container from just making hazelnut butter. So if you want to make it from scratch and don't have the hazelnut butter ready, you can just follow my previous recipe, make the hazelnut butter and then continue with the recipe. So I'm gonna pour the hazelnut butter in. And the way to make powdered sugar is basically to add your sugar into either a blender or a food processor, or even I've done it in a spice grinder. So just anywhere where you can pulverize and make the sugar into powdered sugar. Then I'm gonna add my cocoa powder and the salt. Actually, I think I might have a little bit too much salt here. I think I might have 1/4 of a teaspoon, but I want a 1/8, so just a tiny bit. And that's it. Now I'm gonna put the lid on and let this blend for until it's becoming smooth, starting to be a uniform color. So it's been blending for a couple of minutes. Wow, that's looking pretty nice. So let's check the consistency. Wow, nice and chocolatey and quite runny. To make the hazelnut spread a little bit thicker, you can either add 2-3 medjool dates, or even if you added a little bit of water, that will kind of thicken it. But really I would not recommend adding water, because you kind of really want this nice runny and liquid chocolatey sauce, because when you add water to the mixture, it actually kind of makes it like thick as a paste, as opposed to this runny delicious goodness. So I would actually say just use it as is, as a nice runny Nutella. So I think I'm gonna blend it for another minute and then we'll be done. So it's been exactly 3 minutes since I've been blending, and oh wow, that looks proper nice, creamy and chocolatey. So all that's left to do now is to taste test it. So now guys, for the most fun part, taste testing, and I've got my husband here with me this time.
Yeah, I get all the hard jobs.
Because I'm sure he'll be the first one to dig into this Nutella.
Yeah, okay. Wow.
No double dipping, remember?
Damn you! Wow.
Oh, yummy.
That is very much like Nutella. It's thinner than Nutella,
Yeah.
but it tastes very, very similar. The hazelnut's lovely.
So good, isn't it?
Yeah.
So,
Damn that double dipping rule!
yeah.
So unfair.
So guys, give this a try and give it a like if you like this video, and let me know what other either nut butters, seed butters, or kind of spreads you would like to see on this channel.
Allow me.
And yeah, as always, remember, food is fuel, so be mindful of what you put in your body. Until next time.
Bye.